morning, you guys, and today is day 2 in Amritsar, and this is our last day. And we are in Jallianwala Bagh. I'm sorry if you cannot hear me properly because there's some music going on over here. And this is a very historic place, as you can see, and I'll also attach a lot of clips for y'all to see how the Bagh looks. Gone inside the Golden Temple in the morning, and look what I have purchased. This is their what is this, traditional earrings. So मुझे अच्छे लगे. I got it. Now we are going to see the Partition Museum. I don't know if you can hear me, but that is the busy market of Amritsar near the Golden Temple. तीनों जगहें it's very close. The Partition Museum, Golden Temple, and the War Memorial. So we are going to the War Memorial. Guys, now we have reached the Partition Museum. From here is the entry to the museum. Dad has gone to take the ticket, and the weather here is so pleasant, you guys. It's so cold and nice. It's not freezing, but it's really nice. And now we'll go inside the Partition Museum.
1 hour later.
Okay, you guys, we come out of the Partition Museum, and I was wrong. This is actually the gate, not that one, and it is really beautiful. इतनी अच्छी तरह से डिपिक्शन किया है, and well preserved, well maintained. It's really good, and definitely a must visit. You feel so patriotic, and when you see how the people died, what all they sacrificed for the independence of India, what all the people went through, it is something you should know as an Indian. It is very important for all of us to have that information. So ये बहुत ही informative and बहुत ही सुंदर डिपिक्शन है सारी चीज़ों का. Now we are going out. We are done with sightseeing all the things. So let's see what the plan is. We might go shopping or might have food now. Whatever happens, I'll keep you all updated. Yes, we have come here to drink the famous lassi. Freshly made. This is the famous Gyani ki lassi. We have come here to have this, and we are going to have the Pida Vada lassi now. Famous it is. Chef Vikas, Farah Khan, and so many other famous people helping, and it is so crowded. Freshly made lassi.
2 hours later.
Come to another temple which is similar to Golden Temple yet very different. Look at the surrounding, is so pretty. It's called the Durgyani Temple. पूरा ऐसे तालाब है जैसे गोल्डन टेम्पल के पास है, but it's not as big as it, but it's still very beautiful and very calming. We've come for lunch and we're having a thali and soya chap because chap here is very famous, so we are trying it for the first time. Guys, I'm back in the hotel and I'm vlogging here, and I'm putting this video in between because we went to Wagah border and I couldn't brief y'all anything about it, but it is once in a lifetime experience. So good, and I'm so fortunate and lucky to be experiencing it. वो energy is something else, that you know, the way people are shouting like Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, and that experience, that whole thing is pure gold. I mean, I am so fortunate to be there. I will attach all the clips of it, or before or after this video. Do check it out with all the patience you got, because it is so surreal, such a proud and wholesome moment to watch. So do watch it.
later.
We have come to the famous A1 kulfa of Amritsar, and I'm trying firni, and we are also trying the kulfa. So let's see how it tastes. Let's do a taste test right in front of you. Yes, guys. Too good, too good. This is so good. I'm excited to try the kulfa now. Kulfa is here. Now let's try with mom there. Let's sit inside and try. Mama. Nice?
Nice.
Very nice?
Yummy.
The kulfa. Nice. Too good. Too good. You should definitely try this in Amritsar. Guys, as you know, I'm back in the hotel and now I'm sipping this iced tea that I've got from the Himalayan Tea Gardens. It's in the flavor honey peach, and it's really good. I like it. Mom doesn't because they don't like iced tea. I love iced tea, so I like it. And now we are heading out just to see what the local market has to offer, and if we can find any more authentic food shops like chole kulche. Mama always talks in between. Look, she's not even stopping. Mama, I'm vlogging. Okay, anyways, so now we're heading out. Okay, you guys, now we are having dinner, and this is our last dinner in Amritsar, and we are having famous brothers dhaba, and I'll show you here. We got paneer naan with dal makhani. Mom and dad are having kulcha and chana, and dad has also ordered a soup, which is good. It's going to be our last meal, and tomorrow we will be leaving for Goa. We'll have breakfast. Let's see what we get. We'll try to मतलब जो भी हो सकता है जो ना हो सकता है so that we remember Amritsar to its core and to its best. I hope you can hear me because it's very busy and crowded. So see, right. Ending this night on a sweet note by eating the firni again because I love it a lot. So that's it for tonight, and see you all tomorrow while we board our flight to Goa. And if we do anything in the morning, I'll put all the tips for you. Good morning, you guys. It is our last day in Amritsar, and I'm sitting in the famous Amritsar tuk-tuk, and now we are going for breakfast again to Brothers Dhaba because we like the food over there. So we're turning there, and then maybe we'll just roam around for some time and head for the airport because we have to catch a flight to Goa today. We are at Brothers Dhaba, and Mama has ordered poha. We are finding poha after ages in Amritsar because it's so difficult to get. Mama, show your food. So well decorated and presented. Let's do the taste test.
Not so good like our Goa, but it's okay.
Yeah, because it's in Amritsar. तुका कसा आवडला?
बरं
बरा असा बेस्टी.
लागतं.
This is my breakfast. This is paneer bhurji and bread. Let's do the taste test of this one now. Cheers.
रिटर्न व्हायचं.
ये बहुत अच्छा है. सही है. Such things, paneer, paratha, everything is good. South Indian, Maharashtrians, they don't do good. Having a yummy breakfast. I'm having this matka kulfi right in the morning, and look at the way it's packed and decorated. Looks super yummy. I hope it tastes also super yummy. This cutesy spoon. By now you know the drill. It's good. It's good. Okay, guys, I am all ready and we are boarding from Amritsar to Delhi. And Amritsar was definitely very, very lovely to us. I hope we can visit here again. Now we'll be landing in Delhi in an hour, I guess, and then head to my own tropics, that is Goa. So I'll see you all in Delhi. Okay, guys, now I'm boarding the flight to Goa. I did not get any time to vlog in between on the airport because our flight, which was connected, was like almost, it was time to board. As we landed, it was time to board, check-in. There was so much checking going on because tomorrow is 26th January, I guess, that's why. Now we have already boarded and the flight will be leaving soon. I'll be back to my tropics, hot topics. We have been to so many cool places, felt such, high temperatures, and now, low temperatures, and now we'll go back to our high temperatures. So it will be hot again. Is our food on flight. We have a beautiful dessert which I don't know what it is. 3 leches जैसा तो मुझे लग रहा है, या पता नहीं क्या है. बर्फी है, केक है. This is chicken biryani. This is bun. There's butter with it and water. We had also taken some chicken while coming, so we'll be having that. And I also have mishti doi with me, which was served on the previous flight with a sandwich. So I might have that or not also. Let's see. But I'm excited for this. Okay guys, I'm done with the dinner now. And there are so many kids on this flight. They're cute, but when they cry, it's a havoc. एक तो मेरे सामने है, एक पीछे है. ये वाला थोड़ा cute है. He was playing with me. The behind one is continuously crying. So it's a little headache. But the food was good this time. It was different. The last flight we did not get the bun and butter and all. We had just got keema and pav and dessert of course. This time dessert was nice. There was some pudding in the base of it and there was a pastry, but it was a nice kid as Kram, and he's just cute. Yeah, so that was the dinner and I got biryani, but mom and dad got veg food because what happened was that by the time the air hostess gave me a seat, non-veg food got cooked, so they got veg. Veg was not that great. There was palak and what is that, corn thing, dal and rice, and I got chicken biryani and dal makhani ki chutney. So that was good. The veg food was not that great. Now there is almost an hour for us to reach.
अब ट्रैफिक की बत्तियों को बंद किया जाएगा. यदि आप पढ़ना चाहें तो ऊपर लगी बत्तियों का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. धन्यवाद. Ladies and gentlemen, we have different appetites for you. If you wish to read menus, switch on the reading light, look at the panel above you. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. So that is it. And now we'll be landing in an hour. Guys, as you can see, I am home after a long week and holiday, and you must be wondering why am I glammed up, because I just attended a birthday party. I came home unpacked. I couldn't end the vlog, so I had to get ready and go attend. So now I'm back. I thought I'll end the vlog. Thank you so much if you have watched all the 3 videos of the travel. If you haven't, then do watch both the previous videos. I hope that I can give you much information about the travel that I have done. If you need any more information, do leave a comment in the comment section and I'll try my best to help you out if you are planning any trip to the places that I have visited. And thank you so much for being so patient and waiting for my vlogs, because after exam I was vlogging after so long. So thank you so much for being patient, and do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment, like, and keep your love going. This is me, Aditi Redkar, signing off. See you all in the next vlog. Bye bye.